Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video we're going to be creating an easy polka dot nail art design inspired by Nails by Harlig. So let's get started. Start off with a base coat. Apply 2 coats of your base color. Today I am using Opi Less is Norse. Next, get a palette or something to put your nail polish on. I'm using a plastic lid. Put a drop of your second color on and dip your dotting tool, toothpick, or bobby pin into that. This color is called Essie. Press pause. To do this design, you just have to create 4 dots. I start by creating 2 dots in the middle and then 2 on the outside. This is a super easy design and you just repeat this pattern across your nail. You could just do 1 at the top of the nail, or you could do 3 in the middle. I found that I wanted to fill out the whole nail, but if you want, you could totally do the other ways. I also really like this design because you can choose whatever colors you would like. You can add 1 to 3 of the dots of this pattern on the edges of your nails to make it look like it's continuing off the nail. And lastly, when your design is dry, apply a top coat and clean up with a small brush and nail polish remover around the nails. I really like how this design turned out, and let me know if there are any other designs that you would like me to create on my channel. I do a lot of nail art videos and makeup videos, so if you enjoy that, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!